So here's Lombard Street up here, but I just wanted to show the kind of weeding we have to do before the thing is established. This is a bit over by the side where we planted some lemon and mandarin orange and other trees, and I've just been doing a bit of clearing this morning. So here we are. There's one big pile, another pile, another little one. You see I kind of cleared here. I've still got to go up there and across there, and here we go. Yeah, you can see where I've cleared. And actually one of our workers cleared this bit a lot more neater than I did the other day. So we have to keep on clearing these until these trees have established, and then hopefully the weeding will be a lot less once the trees are established and they give a bit of a canopy. I'll just have a come back here, and there we go. This is the start of the walk going up towards Lombard Street, and there we have Clove here telling me it's time for breakfast. Okay, better go and feed her.